All right, here we are, lesson 11, percentage context. So I can understand and solve problems about commission, interest markup, and discounts. Okay, these are all percentage of increase or decrease problems, which we've been talking about last week and this week. All right, leaving a tip, page 85. Which one of these expressions represent a $15 tip on a $20 meal? Which represents the total bill? So 15% tip. 15 percentage is always out of 100. So 15% out of 100? No. 15% out of 100? Yes. 15% out of 100? No. 15% out of 100? Yes. Times 20. So there's my tip. Okay, and then the total bill, well, we're going to go 15% times 20 plus 20. So 15% times 20 plus 20, so this one works. Or 115% works as well. So those three. So the top one, no. All the others work. All right. Car dealership 11.2. A car dealership pays a wholesale price of $12,000 to purchase the vehicle. The car dealership wants to make a 32% profit. By how much will they mark up the price of the vehicle? After the markup, what's the retail price? So they want to know what is 32% of the price of the vehicle, and then what's the price going to be. So we can just go 32% times 12,000. So 32% times 12,000. 32% times 12,000 gives me 3,840. So there's 3,840. That's letter A. After the markup, what's the retail price? Well, 12,000 plus 3,840 is going to be 15,840. Okay? You just add those two together to get that one. Okay, so 3,840 goes to A, and then 12,000 plus 3,840 is 15,840. That goes to B. Okay? During a special sales event, the dealership offers a 10% discount off the retail price. After the discount, how much will the customer pay for this vehicle? So we can do what we did here last week because we don't need to find the partial amount. We can just find the total amount. So 100% minus 10%. Just shut off on me. Let's try this again. 100% minus 10% is 90%. So then I'm just going to go 90% times 15,840. So 90% times 15,840 gives me 14,256. Okay? So that's just a decrease problem. Okay, 11.3, commission at a gym. For each gym membership sold, the gym keeps $42 and the employee who sold it gets $8. What's the commission the employee earned as a percentage of the total cost? Well, if the gym keeps 42 and the employee keeps 8, 42 plus 8 is $50. So the gym membership is $50. So to find the percentage, I'm just going to go $8 divided by 50. In my calculator, if I go 8 divided by 50, I get 0.16. 0.16, if I move the decimal over twice, that's 16%. Okay? If an employee sells a family pass for $135, what's the amount of commission they get to keep? Well, the total price is $135, and they get 16%. So we're just going to go 135 times 16%. So 135 times 16% gives me $21, 21.6. Well, we're talking about money, so we're going to add a zero there. So it's $21.60. All right. 11.4 we're not going to do. So really nothing new today, just applying what we've learned from last week and yesterday to today. Okay, so looking at the summary, There are many everyday situations where a percentage of an amount of money is added to or subtracted from that amount in order to be paid to some other person or organization. So sales tax goes to the government, and it's added to the price of the item. The gratuity, or your tip, goes to the server. It's added to the cost of the meal. Interest, either you're paying off a loan or you have money in the bank, it's added to the balance of the loan, credit card, or bank account. Markup, that goes to the seller. It's added to the price of the item so they can make a profit. Markdown, or discount, is taken off the price of the item, so it makes you want to buy it. And then commission goes to the salesperson, and that is subtracted from the payment that is collected from you. And then they give us a couple examples. For example, if a restaurant bill is $34, the customer pays $40, they left a $6 tip. So 18%, if so, to figure out the percentage, 6 divided by 18, or 6 divided by 34 is 0.18, which is 18%. So they left an 18% tip. From the customer's perspective, we think this is an 18% increase of the bill. And if a realtor helps a family sell their home for $200,000 and earns a 3% commission, the realtor makes $6,000 because $2,000 times 3% is $6,000. And the family gets $194,000 because $200,000 minus $6,000 is $194,000. From the family's perspective, we can think of this as a 3% decrease on the sales price of the home. Okay? All right, 2 problems on your assignment again today. A car dealership pays $8,350 for a car. They mark up the price for 17.4% to get the retail price. What is the retail price of the car at this dealership? All right, so all we have to do is figure out, it's a 17.4% increase. So if we start with 100% and we add 17.4%, I'm just going to add those together. We get 117.4%. We're going to multiply it by 8350, and that's going to be my total price. Okay? On number 2, a store has 20% off sales on pants. With discount, the price of one pair of pants before tax is $15.20. What was the original price? So this is one where we know the new price and we have to find the original price. So to do that, we divide. We still start with the percentage, 100%, minus 20% because it's 20% off, so we subtract. We get 80%. Okay? So then we're going to go 1520 divided by 80%, and that'll give us our answer. Okay? Remember, if you have any questions, just go ahead and send me an email.